All right, folks. So, if you're planning to buy a Google phone this year, things are honestly getting confusing because Google now has budget pixels, pro pixels, foldable pixels, and honestly, some of them are amazing while others are only worth it for specific people. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best Google Pixel phones you should actually consider based on camera quality, battery life, and performance. So, stay tuned and subscribe to support my work. Now, I am starting with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro is built for people who want a flagship Android phone that feels smart, fast, and reliable every single day. It comes with Google's powerful Tensor G3 processor, which is based on 4nm technology, max clocks at 2.90 GHz. This chip is paired with 12 GB RAM support, which makes multitasking smooth whether you're gaming, editing photos, or switching between apps. The 128 GB UFS 3.1 storage on the base model is quick enough for fast app loading and 4K video recording. As the phone features a stunning 6.7-inch Super Actua LT POOLED display with a sharp 1344 by 2992 resolution, runs at adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. It gets extremely bright outdoors, up to 2,400 nits peak brightness, making videos, gaming, and scrolling look premium even under sunlight. Gorilla Glass, Victus 2 protection, and IP68 water resistance add durability to the premium matte glass, and aluminum design looks rich and stylish. However, camera performance is where the Pixel 8 Pro truly stands out. It packs 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens with macro focus, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera offering 5 times optical zoom and up to 30 times super res zoom. Photos look natural, detailed, and excellent in low light, while Google's AI tools like Magic Editor, Best Take, Night Sight Video, and Audio Magic Eraser make photography feel effortless. The 10.5-megapixel selfie camera also supports autofocus and 4K recording, massive for mid-range pricing. Battery life is solid thanks to the 5050 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day with moderate to heavy usage. It supports 30 watts wired charging and fast wireless charging, though charging speeds are slower compared to brands like OnePlus or Xiaomi. Overall, at $570, the biggest strengths of the Pixel 8 Pro are its camera quality, clean Android experience, 7 years of updates, and smart AI features. On the downside, the Tensor G3 chip isn't the strongest for hardcore gaming compared to Snapdragon rivals. Next, Google Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro is a compact flagship smartphone powered by Google's Tensor G4 processor paired with 16 GB RAM, ensures smooth multitasking, strong AI performance, and clean Android experience. It comes with 128 GB storage and runs Android with 7 years of updates. On the front, you get a massive 6.3-inch Super Actua LTP OLED display with a sharp 2856 by 1280 resolution screen, delivers 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness, makes it excellent for gaming, streaming, and outdoor visibility. Everything looks sharp and vibrant. For camera support, the Pixel 9 Pro features a premium triple rear setup including 50-megapixel main sensor, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 48-megapixel 5 times telephoto lens with up to 30 times super res zoom. The 42-megapixel front camera is also one of the best for selfies and video calls, as image quality, low light shots, and AI photo editing are among its biggest strengths, whereas the phone packs a 4,700 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day with moderate usage and supports fast wired plus wireless charging. Overall, it includes excellent cameras, bright display, clean Android software, strong AI features with Gemini, IP68 water resistance, and long software support, but offers slower gaming performance compared to Snapdragon flagship phones. Charging speed is slower than some other competitors. Additionally, design looks nice with flat aluminum sides, thinner bezels, and Google's signature redesigned camera bar that gives the phone a unique flagship look, as it uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back along with a polished aluminum frame. Currently can cost you $550, decent deal for budget. At third spot, we have the Google Pixel 10. The Pixel 10 is Google's latest compact flagship smartphone driven by the new Tensor G5 processor designed with 3nm technology, runs at 3.78 GHz. Combines with 12 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, ensures smooth everyday performance, strong AI processing, and improved efficiency over previous Pixel models, as it also offers Android 16 and comes with 7 years of software and security updates. The phone designed with incredible 6.3-inch Actua OLED display with a sharp 2424 by 1080 resolution panel, which has adaptive 60 to 120 Hz refresh rate. HDR support and up to 3000 nits peak brightness ensures excellent outdoor visibility and smooth scrolling, as you can also run demanding games and applications without many hiccups and lags. Additionally, the Pixel 10 now includes a triple rear camera setup, features with 48-megapixel main sensor, 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens offers 5 times optical zoom. The front camera is 10.5 megapixels. Camera quality remains one of its biggest strengths as it comes with excellent AI image processing, as it also has strong low-light photography and reliable video quality, whereas the design stays premium and compact with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, aluminum frame, IP68 water resistance, and new QI2 magnetic wireless charging support. It is compatible with MagSafe style accessories, which is a unique feature in Android phones. Overall, battery capacity is around 4,970 mAh with approximately 29 to 30 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging, which is great for $600 phone, as battery life is generally good for a full day, though it still trails behind top Snapdragon rivals in heavy usage, yet worth considering if you need compact phone with exceptional CPU and camera support. At second spot, we have the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. The Pro XL is Google's top-tier flagship smartphone, features a premium glass and typical aluminum design. It has powerful AI tools, one of the best camera systems on Android. As under the hood, you get a new 3nm Tensor G5 processor paired with 16GB RAM and 256GB storage, equally powerful for smooth multitasking, as it improves efficiency and offers better AI performance than previous Pixel models. Additionally, the phone features a large 6.8-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED display with a massive 2992 by 1344 resolution, whereas standard 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR technology, and up to 3300 nits peak brightness makes it one of the brightest smartphone displays available, as from outdoor visibility to scrolling, gaming, and media viewing experience looks absolutely vibrant and colorful. For camera specs, the Pixel 10 Pro XL includes a flagship triple rear setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, comes with 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 48-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, as it also offers advanced AI photography features and strong low-light performance ensures quality shots in any environment. The 42-megapixel front camera is excellent for selfies and high-quality video calls. Additionally, Google's image processing remains one of the phone's biggest strengths. Moreover, the device packs a large 5,200 mAh battery, which also features with fast wired and wireless charging. You also get plus QI2 magnetic charging support. Battery life generally lasts a full day comfortably, though not the top of the line compared to other flagships. Overall design looks stylish and build quality is sturdier yet quite lightweight phone at $620. Makes it one of the mid-range flagship phone right now. However, what if you need foldable phone? So, this Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is Google's most advanced foldable smartphone offering, as it looks premium features with book-style folding design with improved durability, slimmer bezels, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Makes it one of the first foldables with full IP68 protection. Additionally, it is fueled by similar Google's Tensor G5 processor paired with 16GB RAM and 256GB storage, ensures strong multitasking performance, and also comes with advanced Gemini AI features. The phone comes with a large 8-inch Super Actua Flex LTPO AMOLED inner display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, runs on 2076 by 2152 pixels resolution screen, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. The outer cover display is a 6.4-inch OLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate and the same 3000 nits peak brightness, provides excellent outdoor visibility and smooth scrolling through apps and social media. Just like any other Pixel device, Pixel 10 Pro Fold offers great camera support, as it includes almost similar triple rear camera setup with a 48-megapixel main sensor, 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens, and 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Both the inner and outer selfie cameras are 10 megapixels, whereas Google's image processing and AI photography features remain among the best for foldable phones in the market, especially for portraits and low-light shots. Additionally, the device has a 5,015 mAh battery with fast wired charging. You also get wireless charging, but it has unique new Pixel Snap magnetic charging support. Overall, battery life is generally solid for a foldable and can comfortably last a full day with moderate usage. currently available at $1,500. Quite expensive, but one of the best foldable phone. So, finally, these are the top-rated Google Pixel phone. What is your thoughts on the list? Let me know in comments. Till then, keep supporting.